Hi guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. In this series, we are talking about our attendee information add-on. In previous video, I showed you how to install it and activate it and give you a little bit overview of the features. But today we're gonna see some of the features in the action in our front-end side on our WordPress website. So I had the website in this tab opened to demonstrate the attendee information fields on the front-end side. What we can do, we can go to our event dashboard. From here, we can click on add event. You can even edit an event to view this as well, as they will be available in that page as well. But for a better demonstration, let's click on add event. So here we have our standard event submission form at the front end side. We have all our necessary details over here. And if we keep scrolling down towards bottom, after write the ticket section, we will see the attendee information collection type. So for this demonstration, I will add a new event to demonstrate the full feature. What we can do, let's start filling out this form over here to add a new event. So give me a moment to quickly add these details. So as you can see, I have filled out the details for the event itself. Now we can add some tickets for this demonstration as well. So we can click on paid tickets, free tickets, and donation ticket. We have a video about this ticket, how they works, how to add them, what these different tickets mean to the website as well. Feel free to check that out for more guidance. But as of now, let's add a paid ticket for this event. Then we will proceed from there. So as you see, I have added the basic details for this ticket. Let me allow to configure the settings or add additional details for this ticket as well. So you might be wondering, if you didn't follow our previous video about sell tickets, that what are these fees and ticket visibility and minimum tickets, maximum tickets, all the settings over here means. We do have an in-depth video, but let me cover this as well in a short moment. So we have ticket description, that's pretty much self-explanatory. Then we have short ticket description. This tick box or the checkbox allows us to show the description at the single event details page. Then we have our fee structure, that's fee by attendee, that will be paid by the attendee alongside with the ticket price. And we have the pay by organizer. So attendee or the user has to pay only the ticket price when the organizer pays the fee. Then we have our ticket visibility, that's private and public. So there's a description box over here that describes these settings over here in a sentence. Then we have our minimum tickets. Then we have our maximum tickets. Show remaining tickets. It will show the remaining tickets count in the front end side on the single event details page as well. Then we have our sold tickets individually. So that means one ticket per customer. Then we have our ticket priority, but I didn't fill that out in this video. Next, in the right below the ticketing section, we will see a new field that says attendee information collection type. We have buyer only and each attendee, right? What that means, let me explain. Buyer only, so this will ask only for the buyer details on the checkout page when you are buying or purchasing a ticket for an event, right? Then we have our each attendee. This settings, if we tweak this to here, it will ask a registration information for each attendee. So imagine a buyer is buying 3 tickets for an event. It will ask for 3 registration details for that purchase. But if we use this buyer only option, it will ask only 1 registration details for all those tickets, when we can use each attendee section over here for registering 3 different users for 3 tickets when purchasing or completing the checkout process. Then we have the attendee informations to collect. If we select over here, so this fields over here lets us choose what informations to collect when users are purchasing a ticket from the website and completing the checkout process. What that means, by default, the registration add-on has 2 default fields, right? The full name and the email address. But you can add and modify these existing fields over here, but even add new fields to the registration form. But what happens if you don't want to show a particular registration form field for this event over here? For that, you can select the fields you want to show for this event when they are purchasing the event, and leave the rest out for hiding them. So this attendee information plugin will not show the fields are not chosen over here, and only show the fields we have chosen over here in the checkout form. So we have selected email address for this demonstration out of the two we have available. So that's full name and the email address. So we can leave it here as it is. So we can demonstrate it few moments later. Then we have our organizer details. From here we can select organizer. But in this new version of our WP Event Manager, we added a new feature. You have no longer to visit a new page to add an organizer, but you can click over here to open a modal to add an organizer in this page itself that will get reflected over here in real time. I am not demonstrating that feature over here, but I will just give you a hint. But we will have a changelog video about our core plugin very soon in this channel. You might want to watch that video for more in-depth review or the explanation of the changes we have in our latest version. So now when we have added all the details required for this event, we can hit preview. So this is the preview page for our event listing. Let's go ahead and submit the listing. So as always, we need to approve this listing or the event from the backend side by an admin of this website. So that's a moderation feature. So let me go ahead and do that off screen very quickly. I have approved this event for myself off screen. We can go to our event dashboard to view the event. As we see, we have the event over here as we see. So we can open this link to view the event details page. And we see our standard event details page with our event banner, our title, organizer, description, date and time, location, category type, and share buttons, and our organizer details over here as well. So we have the ticket section over here as well. As we added a single ticket for this event, we see the premium ticket over here. What we can do, we can select the quantity, let's say 3. So we will show the effectiveness of the attendee information plugin in the checkout page. By the way, for using Sell Ticket add-on, you need WooCommerce to handle the checkout and the cart process. I will highly suggest you watch our Sell Ticket add-on series for explanation on them. But as of now, let's add this order. So we are here at our cart page. From here, we can verify our product name, the price and the quantity and the subtotal. So let's head over to our checkout page to complete this purchase. I have my billing details field over here at my left hand side, but in the right hand side, you will see the registration forms or the additional information required for the tickets on this event, right? So we have purchased 3 tickets. That's ticket 1, premium ticket, ticket 2, premium ticket as well, and ticket 3. So those all are premium tickets, and we have email addresses required for these tickets as well. So how? Let me open the event dashboard in a new tab to show you why this is happening. And let's edit this event. Scroll down and we will see the attendee information to collect. Yeah, right here we selected the email address field out of these 2. When we added this event, I also talked about it. We didn't include the full name field, so we see the email address field over here. We can change this in real time and update this event. Then we can reload this page. So we have the full name field returning over here after the changes we make. So this is a real-time explanation or example of how you can include or exclude registration information fields on the checkout page over here. So let's remove this full name field over here as originally we did and then save changes. Then we're gonna reload our checkout page to get back to the original state. From here, we can add our email addresses for the each tickets and complete this purchase. Let me do that very quickly. As I completed filling out the details, we can go ahead and place the order. Then we will go to our order confirmation page. So now when our order is complete, we can head over to our event dashboard. So as we purchased the ticket and completed the registration, we can see them from here. Now we are seeing the registration dashboard for that event. We can see total sold tickets 3, and we have new registration, that's 3 as well. So if we scroll down a little bit to our event registrations list, we will see the attendee information and the ticket information as well over here. So we have the status, the date, the ticket type, and the price, and the ticket name as well. Of course, we can modify the registration from here as well. We do not see the traditional username over here after the avatar, as we didn't accept any full name field on the checkout page. So this is just a demonstration of the attendee information plugin on the front-end submission form and the checkout page. We have much more coming about this topic in this channel as well. Stay tuned for those as well. And that's pretty much wraps it up for this video. I'm Sharad signing off. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.